Hi guys, and welcome again to my channel. My name is Gina, also known as Hunt for Styles, and today I'm actually gonna get ready with you guys. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is actually style my hair. I get a lot of questions on how I curl it, how I straighten it, and today I'm actually gonna curl it. I'm gonna use the T3 Micro, and the one that I'm using is the one with the thickest wand. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is part my hair into 3 different sections. Make a top knot with the top 2 sections and continue by twirling your hair through the wand in the outer direction towards the back of your head. Make sure to keep that hair close to the heat at a max of 2 to 3 seconds so your hair does not get damaged. Continue doing this by choosing thicker pieces of hair so that the waves are looser and a little bit messy.
Why is this taking so damn long? Patiently as the night goes, losing sleep as my dreams go by, stuck here.
Let down another section of your hair, leaving only your last section in a top knot. Again, make sure to always twirl the hair towards the back of your head to get a full volume look. Continue the same process through this section.
In my city, yeah, feel it going on and on and on. To going.
Lastly, let down the last section of your hair. Make sure to be careful when curling this section because this area usually gets the most damage. Follow the same steps as before, maybe inching the wand a little bit closer to the head so that the curl starts higher in this section. Finish off the look with the Kerastase treatment oil, which you can get online or at your nearest Sephora or on Amazon. Spread the treatment through the hair to protect your locks from any damage with adding a little shine. And that's a wrap. Let me know if you guys have any questions and comment below. See you guys next time.